70% of every payment made in the United States runs through a company that has a significant location in Georgia.
If you see some great Gulfstream technology out there, it's Georgia made.
You're seeing more investment in healthcare IT and digital health. We've been working with companies in Boston, on the West Coast, and even Europe and Latin America who are looking to do clinical trials and start companies here.
There's a lot of places to host a cyber operation in America. Georgia is the fastest growing, where there's a real commitment, a government commitment, a dollars commitment, an educational commitment, a military commitment, a corporate commitment.
UPS has its headquarters in Georgia. The economic environment, access to talent with the educational institutions that are here, phenomenal infrastructure with regards to the highways, the ports, as well as the international airport. It gives us access to the world.
The support from the governor's office, the economic development professionals, even from the university system is tremendous.
We work with Lanier Tech to help actually train the workers here. We have a science program that we're working with University of Georgia, and there's maybe nobody in the world more than Georgia Tech that knows robotics, computerization, processes, and they've been an incredible partner.
So workforce development has certainly been critical to our success. From day one, we started working with Georgia Quick Start. They helped us set up a training program to teach individuals how to build a quality product.
We work with probably a dozen schools around the state that are, receiving nationwide accolades. We have partnership programs for aviation, for technical skills, data scientists. We have an incubator, an innovation center.
We've looked all around the world. We could have set up anywhere. And the experience that we want to live, the place we want to raise our family, a small town like Blue Ridge, Georgia is ideal. We have people come from all over the world. There's a certain appreciation for the quaintness of the small mountain town.
We can't do what we do without people. That's a large part of what makes us successful here in the state of Georgia.
We're really here to help facilitate the commercialization of these technologies and see these companies be successful.
If you want to come into a place that's growing with you, this is the place to be.
They have the right resources and contacts across the state. They know how it works. They know how companies like Gulfstream and many others have succeeded.
The collaborative nature, the innovation just makes it really a phenomenal place to do business.
Wherever our future takes us, Georgia will be part of it.
When somebody walks in the door and says, I want to change the world, tell them they could change the world right here in the state of Georgia.